warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, my name is Ica and Florata. We are students of SDN Sumberpakem 4. Today we will practice how to make a glass of sweet iced tea. How to make a glass of sweet iced tea, tools and materials. 1 tea bag, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 glass of hot water, ice cube, a spoon. Step 1. Boil a glass of water. Step 2. Put the tea bag into the hot water. Step 3. Wait for 3 minutes.